Hi guys, this is Josh here again and welcome back to my channel. And tonight it's almost 10 p.m. and we are going to find out if our B57 smartwatch sleep monitoring function test is working. Okay, well, let's find out guys. So I'm going to sleep and I will see you tomorrow morning and we will know if what the result is. Okay, so good night guys. Alright guys, good morning, and today is we're going to find out if our B57 smartwatch sleep monitoring function is working. Alright, so as you can see there in our screen, so it really recorded our sleep pattern. And as you can see there are the times in which I was wide awake and I had got a shallow sleep also, and also deep sleep, which is around 2 a.m. And also at 2:13 I was had a shallow sleep, and later on I also had like a shallow sleep as well. So finally guys, my sleep quality wasn't that good, so it was kind of poor because in the middle of my sleep I was kind of woke up, and also to check the time or to adjust the temperature of our room. And the biggest reason for my poorest quality of sleep is that I was wide awake at 1 a.m. because of watching Netflix TV series. And to sum up guys, I only got a 23 minutes of deep sleep and the rest was only light sleep. Yes. Okay, so if you have any questions guys about the sleep function test of our B57, just comment down below. And then if you like this video, kindly please click the like button and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh and I will see you soon.